Ulit. Mas malakas pa is 5, 6, 7, go!
Happy Pride Month, Araneta!
Hello po, this is JM.
Hi guys, I'm JC.
Hello everyone, I'm Bieber. Hello everyone. Hi guys, I'm Pan.
Sorry guys, hello guys, I am Will.
Hello, I'm Blessed Mix, and we are
1621!
Alright guys, we're so thankful to be here. And gusto namin mag-sorry kasi may technical difficulties kanina. Sorry guys. Ayun na, ito na yung chant na sinasabi namin. So, for our second song, gawin natin isang sample ulit. Mas malakas na.
Pwede isa pa, mas malakas guys, pwede ba yun? Pwede pa ba? Isa pa!
5, 6, 7, go.
Ba-ba-ba ka ba, ba-ba-ba ka ba, ba-ba-ba, ba-ba-ba ka ba, ba-ba-ba ka ba, ba-ba-ba.
Okay guys, kakalabas na po ng album namin. It's already out on our Spotify. It's called 1621PH, and sa social media naman namin. Ganon din sa Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. But before we end here, JC, we have a nice message for everyone.
Hindi pa tayo tinatanong. Pero sige, happy Pride everyone. We guys are so proud of you. Congratulations kasi sobrang layo na narating nyo. Every year talaga may sinusulong kayong bago. May pinalaban kayong bago, and just like the social bill, this march is a march that seeks equality, not superiority. Congratulations guys, happy Pride. Happy Pride po.
Thank you for reminding us of why we are here and the fight that we have yet to continue. At back there po, gusto ko sabihin na, opo, ako na si Maria, at opo, bago ako!
Yan, so mga picture taking muna tayo guys with 1621.